Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get the bursting bubble plug. This sought-after item is found within a well-known online game. The process involves entering a challenging zone and interacting with 40 specific elements. Once these steps are completed, the plug will appear for you to claim. It's a straightforward task that requires a bit of patience and focused effort to achieve. To begin your quest, first launch the popular Find the Plugs game. Once inside, you'll need to find the teleportation menu or designated portal. Select the option that takes you directly to the Hell Mode area. This specific zone is crucial, as it contains all the elements required to obtain the bursting bubble plug. Prepare yourself for this unique environment. Let's walk through a typical process using a common PDF viewer. First, open your document in an application such as Adobe Acrobat Reader. Next, navigate to the Fill and Sign tool, which is often clearly visible in the right-hand pane or top menu. From there, you'll select Add Signature and choose whether to type, draw, or upload an image. Finally, simply click where you want the signature to appear and adjust its size for a perfect fit. After you have successfully clicked on 40 bubbles, the bursting bubble plug will instantly appear. Look for it near the pond where you were just interacting with the rising bubbles. To claim your reward, simply walk over and touch the plug. You will hear a distinct sound or see a notification confirming that you have successfully obtained this special item. Congratulations on your achievement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.